And in this lesson 6th video, I'm gonna teach you how you can get backup for your website. And in this lesson 6th video, I'm gonna create a business email. How you can create a business email also. Before creating backup, we have to do something like we have to do image optimization. Like our website will be open within 6 to 7 seconds. So that's why we're gonna optimize our all data on our website. Scroll down, click the smash and click the bulk smash and click recheck images and scroll down, click the bulk now. So the process will take some time to bulk our images. I'm fast forwarding this video. Okay, whatever images have in your website, and it will be take some time after while loading your website. First we have to load our all data. After that our website will be open. So that's why we are creating this bulk smash. Okay, within seconds we have to open our website. Within 6 to 7 seconds our website will have to be open. For user friendly website, we have to create this ones. We have to optimize our all images. Okay, scroll down, click the dictionary smash. What the purpose dictionary smash is useful, so I will tell you. In the front end we had just seen 23 images. On the back end there are number of images where you can smash every minified folder and every folder on your website. Mark those things, mark those folders and see how many images are there. Here 2078 images are here. So we have to optimize these ones for our website speed. So it will take some time. So I'm showing to you just for idea purpose. That's why I'm gonna cancel this one. Okay, so you have to do this optimization for your website speed. Okay, this is the process you have to follow. After getting back, we have to refresh our page by clicking home and scroll down. What is this performance thing? It is W3 total cache plugin, which is useful to clear all cookies and caches from your website. And you can click here, click purge all caches. It will be clear your all caches and cookies. Okay, that's why this plugin is useful. And go to the UST SEO. For what purpose it is useful? It is very useful, guys. Click the general. So because now we had created our website but we didn't submit our all URLs on the Google, so that's why it is useful. Click to the webmaster tool, click Google search console to submit our URL and to verify our domain first. So click this HTML tag, mark this HTML tag and copy this tag and get back to the plugin and paste here Google verification code and save changes. Click save changes and get back to the webmaster tool. So you will get verified option. So actually I had verified world, so that's why it was showing that like that. And open a new tab. After 24 hours you have to check this one. Site is to your domain URL. You have to write this one to check out our URL or indexing or not on the Google. Actually there is nothing to show us because we just submitted our URLs. So check out after 24 hours. This site is to your domain name. Every URL will be indexed. Okay, and don't forget to check out this one. Click the plugins and click add new plugin. And actually I want to show you to delete my website and create before that a backup and restore everything from my website. Okay, so that's why search updraft plugin. So click here to activate. It is already activated and I'm showing to you. To delete our website we need a plugin called WP reset. Before deleting my website I want to show you one more. To create a WhatsApp chat bot. So that's why go to the settings, click join.chat to install a WhatsApp on our website, WhatsApp pop-up for our website. In the telephone option, you have to give your phone number. I am giving my phone number. And for the message, you have to give some message. When someone opens our WhatsApp chatbot, they will be automatically write in the message. So I'm writing this, hey, I'm coming from your website. Scroll down, you have to give a call to action to grab the attention of your users. So I'm writing, connect with us on WhatsApp. And a change here on WhatsApp logo, it was more helpful and more official look. Okay, so I'm writing, hey, I'm coming from your website, I need help. So this is the message which is automatically typed in for the WhatsApp chatbot, and click save changes. I will show you next how it look like. Okay, saving settings, I have to give this button delay for 0 to show over the WhatsApp instantly, and chat delay, make it 0, and click save changes. And get back to the website and refresh it. I'm gonna refreshing it, I'm removing about us page. And when you refresh it, you will get a pop-up on WhatsApp on the below right side. Here it is, and it is attention grabbing display pop-up. If anyone click here, so there is a message, connect with us on WhatsApp. It look like on the mobile version like this. And after typing our website, the WhatsApp chatbot will become like this. And there is a pop-up, connect with us WhatsApp. When someone open that message, there is automatically type in a message, hey, I came from your website. So this is the thing. Now I will show you how to do backup for your website before deleting. So go to the settings and click Updraft plus plugin to create our backup. There you have to do some settings on Updraft plus plugin to create our backup. Okay, and scroll down and click the setting button, and keep it as manual and keep it as 2, and scroll down. We have to add a thing, and Google Drive, click the Google Drive to add, and scroll down the bottom and save changes, click that save changes button. Now your setting is completed, and get back to the backup, click backup and restore, and click this backup button, and click the backup now. So it will take some time to create our backup. So it was requesting to start backup, so I will fast forward this video for to save your time. Okay, our backup was saved. To delete our website, we need a plugin. So click plugins, click add new plugin, and right here on the search bar, WP reset. It will be used to reset our WordPress website. And click here install now, and click that one, activate. Go to the tools, click WP reset, and scroll down, and right here reset, and click the reset button. So it will be showing pop-up to reset your site. It was deleting everything on your website. For to restore your website, you have to reinstall on again Updraft Plus plugin and activate it, and then go to the settings. I'm skipping this part. So click the settings and scroll down, go to the Google Drive, click that Google Drive and scroll down, and click save changes. When you click save changes, it will ask to sign in with Google. So for backup, we have to sign in again our Google account. Click the sign in account and sign in with your Gmail account, which you had given earlier to backup it. Okay, so I'm clicking it, and allow, and give access to allow. Click the allow setting and scroll down, it will be automatically said like completed. Click the complete up button. Now scroll down and scroll down and click to the rescan remote storage to get every backup on our uh, Google Drive. So I got these backups and click restore button. It will take some time, so select those plugin themes, uploads and other data, and click to the next. It will take some time, so I am fast forwarding this video to save your time. Okay, click restore and it would be verifying everything what you have installed before it, and the downloading every data from your website which we had created before deleting website. Okay, so now our backup is restored. Click to return updraft plus plugin configuration. So you have to again log in from the scratch, give your username, WordPress username and password, and click to login. Now our website is restored. So go to the new tab. Here our website is restored successfully, and now I am gonna create a business email. How you can create a business email and how you gonna connect it with your Gmail. If someone sends your business email, any email, you will get notified on your own email. Okay, so how beautiful it is our website is, and we had get back our website very easily. So this is the process where you can delete your website and you can restore it again by updraft plus plugin. Okay, if you want to create your website, so just copy data from my website. You can copy the portfolio page as it is the same, everything this portfolio page. You can copy templates, these images and data, what I had written, this text, everything you can copy. Okay, so next I'm gonna creating business email. Let me tell you what is business email. Business email is nothing but your name @ your website.com. This is the business email. So I will show you for live example. Business email, contact at mydigitalmarketingsite.com. Okay, for example I am showing this. To create your business email, you have to log in on your Bluehost and go to the advanced, where you will be get 5 business email accounts for free. So click here email account. I had already created one business email account, and now I am going to show you to create another one. So click here to create, and I am creating info@mywebsite.com. So on the name of info@mydigitalmarketing.com, and create a strong password. You can generate here also. Click edit 1000 MB data. Click to create. Our email account is created successfully. And to connect our business email to our normal email, we have to do some setting. Go to your Gmail account and click this setting icon, and go to the accounts and import and scroll down and add an another email. Click the add an email account option and give your info@mydigitalmarketingsite.com and click the next. And here you have to give your username which we had created, and you have to give our password. Earlier we had created, right? That for POP server you have to give mail.mydigitalmarketingsite.com, and for the port you have to give 995, and tick mark those 3 things. Leave a copy and always use a thing, and label incoming message also. It is very important. Actually I forgot to give my username and password. That's why I'm copying my username and password, and then click add to account, and then click to next and give your name and tick mark this and click to next step. For SMTP server you have to give mail.mydigitalmarketing.com, user name password as the same, port ID is 465, mark SSL and click add account. To connect our normal email to the business email, click check email and the webmail is login, and click round cube, and here inbox we will get everything, portal IDs and what we had connected earlier. So click add account, and we have to verify by the verification code. Get back, and the email verification is sent to the email. Copy this verification code and paste it here and click verify. Now our normal email is connected to the business email. Let's refresh our Gmail inbox. Here my two emails are connected. I had connected my two emails. Let's compose a email. So आप फ्रॉम में आपका एड्रेस लिख सकते हैं, लाइक इन फॉर दैट टू पर आपका दूसरा ईमेल दे सकते हैं, और मैं तो क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ कि एक टेक्स्ट ईमेल, एंड द ईमेल वाज सेंडेड, एंड मैं आपको मेरे दूसरे ईमेल पर बताऊँगा कि ईमेल कहाँ से आया है और किस लेबल से। तो ओपन कर लूँ, लाइक देखिए आप, शेख फयाज टेस्ट ईमेल, मेरा ईमेल मेरे को दूसरे ईमेल पर आ चुका है। किस ईमेल से, किस लेबल से आया है, सो इसके लिए हम ओपन करेंगे। सो info@mydigitalmarketing.com से आया है टू शेख फयाज 499। सो मैं यहाँ पे उसको रिप्लाई भी दे सकता हूँ। सो ये थी प्रोसेस आप बिजनेस ईमेल क्रिएट करने के लिए। सो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट, मेरी इंग्लिश उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, सो थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लीजिएगा ब्रदर। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर कंप्लीटिंग these lessons, and now you are capable of to create a website, any website. So after purchasing hosting with my link, send me the screenshot on my Instagram. I will share you 2 bonuses, and I will give you my full support on WhatsApp. I will give you 2 bonuses how you can get clients from online, and the strategy behind that, and the script how to talk with a client. Okay, and the script to convert your client, and one more thing, along with I will give you one more bonus. So get me in touch in WhatsApp after sharing your screenshot on Instagram. Okay, I am completely giving 3 bonuses for you.